Hello guys, how to watch a TV series, TV program on your PC monitor like this. Okay, this is my PC monitor like this. Okay, Samsung PC monitor with that HDMI port. Okay, the ingredient is the PC monitor, the HDMI converter for a VGA port, and the micro USB cable like this. Yes, like this. Of course, the digital TV tuner like this. This is cheap, only $10 until $20, $10 US dollar. So, what is the thing? You should connect this to this area. Okay, first connect this in here. Okay, and then connect this and connect the HDMI converter to the VGA cable like this. Okay, connect. Okay, and then the micro USB cable connect to this area. Wait, okay, connect to this. Okay, connect to this HDMI cable. Okay, after connect this, and this connect to the power source. Okay. Okay, I will connect this to power outlet source here. Okay, after that, this is connected to the DVB digital TV tuner on the back of the. Okay, let's see. Okay, after connect this and connect the antenna. This is the antenna. Is connect the antenna here. Okay, after connect the antenna and then turn on this. Okay, wait, you should okay, then connect this. Okay, boot. Okay, turn on the TV monitor, PC monitor. Okay, after the turn on, you wait for that. Okay, wait. This is need to wait for the. So I'm in the user interface of DVB digital TV tuner, and find the program. Okay, find the program. Okay, click enter. Okay, find automatics country Indonesia. Okay, konfirmasi. Okay, then go to find the automatics. Okay, just wait for the automatics. Find the program automatically. Just need to wait for the program. Okay, just wait for a few minutes to get the TV program here, guys, on my PC monitor. So just notice for you. Remember, you need I get this the many program TV, 5 program TV on my PC monitor. Okay, good. I get this program PC. So you just need the ingredient is the HDMI converter, the digital TV tuner, and of course the PC monitor, and of course the antenna cable frequency. Okay, I got this 5 TV program like this. Metro TV, BN TV, Magna TV, Metro TV HD, BBS TV, Berita 1. This is the area program from Indonesia, like that. Okay, you can see this the so many program here, and this is make your PC monitor useful because you can using this digital TV tuner to watching TV program on the PC monitor. The TV tuner still scan the program to get a maximal program here. Okay, I get a 21 program here, guys. Okay, just wait for full program, maximal program, and I got this many program here. This is so easy, guys, to get the program, and you can use this TV tuner tool, digital TV tuner tool to record the program TV what you want. Okay, just wait for the finish the scan. Okay, finish, guys. Okay, I get this. Okay, look at I get this. And okay, I get this. I can watch TV, guys, on this PC monitor. I can watch TV program on this PC monitor. Okay, no program here. Okay, 19. Okay, look at this. Okay, I get. Okay, this is a great. I got this. Okay, guys, looks work on my PC monitor. I got this everything. Okay. Yes. Yeah. This is so cool. I got this every Korean TV show now. This is so cool, guys. Okay. This is still not open program. Okay. What do you think, guys? Okay, Metro TV. So this is easy. You should just buy the buy this digital TV tuner for the 10 until $20 US. You can buy on Amazon, or you can buy on eBay, on your local shop like maybe Shopee, Lazada, or you can buy on the Walmart. I don't know. You can buy this DVB TV tuner for only 10 until $20 US. So the ingredient is HDMI converter, DVD TV tuner, micro USB cable, and of course the PC monitor. Just like that, guys. And thanks for watching for how to watch a TV program on your PC monitor with a free and no without the quota for your internet. Okay, guys, just like that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe. Bye bye.